In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on your Huawei MatePad 10 for 2022. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our app gallery. From here, begin the search for an app. Enter Opera. Hit the search button, select this app, and install it. Now we can open our app. Here, start customizing it, so you can press on customize in order to change any of the services provided by this browser. Let's press confirm, and here we already have a browser. Simply pick the theme you want to use, click done, and here's a website just to show you that it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.